Hello, my name is Aditi, and welcome to World Through Science. We all know about hiccups. Once is funny, twice is hilarious, and anything more than that is just annoying. Every one of us had them, but do you actually know where they come from? Hiccups are strange little sounds that escape from your mouth without warning. They usually start much lower in your body, in your diaphragm. The diaphragm is a round-shaped muscle between your lungs and stomach. Normally, the diaphragm moves down when you breathe in, so that air can enter your lungs. And then it relaxes when you breathe out. This way, air inside your lungs can now flow out from your body. But if something irritates your diaphragm, it can lead to spasm, thus disturbing your regular process. This then forces you to suddenly suck air into your throat, and at the same time hitting your voice box. This action now forces your vocal cords to close suddenly, thus creating the distinct hic sound. Why do hiccups happen? Hiccups can happen for a lot of reasons. Some of them are physical, and some emotional. This is because the actual irritation happens in the nerve connecting the brain to the diaphragm muscles. Some common causes include eating too much or too quickly, feeling nervous or excited, drinking carbonated beverages or too much alcohol, stress, a sudden change in temperature, swallowing air while sucking on candy or chewing gum. So what are long-term hiccups? Hiccups are usually temporary, but in rare cases, they can stay for a long time. It is usually because of damage or aggravation to the nerves connected to the diaphragm. Everything from a hair touching your eardrum to a sore throat can affect these nerves. And in more serious cases, a tumor, goiter, or cyst in the neck can affect these nerves. Hiccups that last a while can also be because of central nervous system disorders, like encephalitis or meningitis. These are swelling caused in brain due to various reasons. Or hiccups can also last due to biological disorders, like diabetes or kidney failure. Drugs like steroids or some tranquilizers can also trigger long-term hiccups. And even certain procedures, especially the ones that require anesthesia, can give you hiccups. If you have been experiencing hiccups for more than 2 days, or if they are severe enough to interfere with eating, breathing, sleeping and causing you discomfort, you should make an appointment with your doctor. Also, talk to your doctor immediately if you have any kind of stomach pain, fever, shortness of breath, vomiting, or cough up blood with your hiccups. How to stop hiccups? If you think hanging upside down or having a friend scare you can get your hiccups to stop, then I hate to disappoint you. There is no scientific proof that they work. However, some experts think holding your breath or breathing into a paper bag might do the trick. Both techniques make carbon dioxide build up in your lungs and can relax your diaphragm muscles. If all your efforts to stop hiccups fail and continue for several days or more, your doctor may try different medicines and put an end to these uncomfortable hiccups. Hope you found the information in this video useful. If yes, then hit the like and subscribe button. And after you subscribe, do not forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified when we add new science videos. Also, do mention in the comments below when you have hiccups, how you manage to get rid of them. Thank you for watching and stay safe. See you in our next video.